Hello everyone, Dronecodes here again. Today we'll be solving LeetCode problem 2236, which is root equals sum of children. And the question is, you're given the root of a binary tree that consists of exactly 3 nodes: the root, its left child, and its right child. Return true if the value of the root is equal to the sum of the values of these 2 children, or false if otherwise. So example 1 says, let's open our whiteboard. Example 1 says 10 is the root, and 10 has 2 children, the left hand side and the right hand side, which is 4 and 6. This is like a basic quantitative reasoning example, where this is x and x has roots a and b. So to get x, you have to add the roots together. So that will be x is equal to a plus b. So from here we can solve for example 2 also and see if it is true or false. This example 1 will give us true, because the value of the left hand side of the root and the right hand side of the root, when added together, will give you the value of the root. Yeah, the value of the left child of the root added with the value of the right child of the root won't give you 5, it will give you 4, which is false, because 4 is not equal to 5, so that will give you false. So basically, how to solve this is is using a simple quantitative term where a plus b will give you x, like I've drawn out here. So looking at the tree node, the binary tree node, the class for the binary tree node, it has a value of integer. It has nodes also in it of left and right. So solving it, you get first the value of the left hand side, which will be equal to root dot left dot val, because you are calling out the value here from the tree node, from the left tree node. And the tree node is also a class that has value of the right and the left hand side. So you also get the value of the right hand side, the right hand child of the node. That will be root dot right dot val. Then we have to store the result somewhere before we'll check if it is equal to the node itself, to the root itself. So we'll store the value, which will be result is equal to root dot value. So we are trying to see if the result will be equal to the root dot value, because we already have the root already, right? Not the left hand side, not the child, not the left hand child or the right hand child. We are looking at the main node, which is the root. So the value of the root will be stored as the result. We are trying to get if, let's just call it, instead of calling it result, let's just call it node of value. Let's call it value. So it's going to give us a better understanding. The value of the root is termed value, and the result will be stored also as an integer. That will be result is equal to left plus right. So then we'll use an if statement that checks if the result is equal to the value. If value, or let's just say if result, because that's what we're checking first. If result is equal to value, return true, else return false. So once we run, this should give us the solution. So basically, this is how to solve LeetCode problem 2236. Thank you very much.